Baby, cover it, cover it.
There's a rat there, so I need to remove it. And look who's here. Already clean था, फिर भी clean कर रहा हूँ. For my meeting, as I said, I'm at Andheri. पूरी रात बारिश हो रहा था.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So today, baby is already in the kitchen cleaning the
Hey,
stuff.
good morning everybody.
Good morning.
I wanted to make breakfast for everyone. So I thought, but before that you always want me to clean and all, no? तो अभी वो clean कर रहा हूँ. Already clean था, फिर भी clean कर रहा हूँ.
Goodbye.
आज खाएंगे sausages. I already kept it for defrosting. हो गया रहेगा ये देखो.
Today's breakfast is by baby.
ये
आज हृदय को भी कूपन दिया है.
आज Friday है ना?
Yeah. So every Friday हृदय के स्कूल में मतलब कुछ अच्छा होता है फ्राइडेज को खाने में. So फ्राइडे को नो ब्रेकफास्ट, मतलब मैं नहीं कुछ बनाती नहीं हूँ सुबह.
करेक्ट. एंड वी लेट मी होल्ड. इसको आदत नहीं है पकड़ने का, ऐसा ही है. हाँ दुख रहा है. नाउ यू टेल नो. एवरी टाइम आई यूज्ड टू होल्ड, यूज्ड टू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. ऐसा मत कर, ऐसा कर. अभी देखा कितना पेन होता है. एंड टुडे आई विल बी लीविंग फॉर अंबोली. वीकेंड आ रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली शोज है. एंड मेरा शोज एक चेंबूर में है और अंधेरे. मेरे शोज मेहंदी भी सीख रहा हूँ, मराठी भी सीख रहा हूँ. तो अगर मैं कुछ मिस्टेक्स करता हूँ तो मुझे माफ कर देना. तो मेरे शोज एक चेंबूर में है और एक अंधेरी में है. तो ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैं अंबोली जा रहा हूँ, अंधेरी मम्मी डैडी के पास. और उसके पहले क्लाइंट्स मीट है, तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा क्या होने वाला है इस व्लॉग में. तो बबू
आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
ये देख लो, जोर से बारिश हो रहा है. पूरी रात बारिश हो रहा था. तुम्ही सगळे व्यवस्थित राहा, हा माझा प्रार्थना आहे. द मोस्ट ड्रेडिंग पार्ट वो उड़ता है ना.
इतना तेरे को उड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. बेबी कवर इट, कवर इट.
किससे?
जाने दे, तू कर बाय.
अच्छा इसमें पानी था. टेस्टी. चलो खाते. Our breakfast is ready. So the difference between baby's plate and my plate are these paws. So she likes her bread toasted while I do not like it being toasted, and of course I have mustard sauce. We're going to enjoy our breakfast. Nashta ready here. Hello. It's wet? I'll take it. How are you? How was your day? Hey, is the open house tomorrow or next week?
Tomorrow.
क्या बात कर रहे? What time is it?
11 o'clock. 11 something to.
So what time you're supposed to reach there? Something what?
I don't know.
ठीक है, go freshen up.
Okay.
Why is your pant dirty? What did you have today?
क्या किया?
छोले भटूरे. Any breakfast?
Paratha.
Which paratha?
I don't know. Just paratha.
Just paratha. आलू.
देखा नहीं था क्या अंदर कुछ?
लिखा नहीं था.
No.
Oh.
Was it tasty?
Yes.
फ्रायडेला मज्जाच असते एका मुलाची.
आता कल आहे,
उद्या
आहे, कल है ओपन हाउस. He'll do good. Even if you, I'm not expecting you to get great marks, but be happy. Simple.
So baby is now leaving. All set.
Yeah, well done. Everything I've kept in this suit and all.
Everything
My
is
suit,
there.
my trouser, and then jeans and for tomorrow's show. Socks. And yeah, chalo, done. Everything else is in the car. Chalo, bye. Shoes.
Bye.
क्या सब लिया क्या मैंने?
Yes.
फैसला तो लिया. You take care. I'm taking you there for 2 minutes. ठीक है? चल, bye.
Bye, darling.
See, there's a rat.
What?
Look who I found in the car. How the hell do I remove this thing? How the fuck do I remove it?
हाँ तो फोन कर मैं खाना से आता हूँ.
ये माँ का.
What happened? He bit you?
They're jumping no, everywhere, is it?
I thought he bit you.
That's what I'm worried about. Where the hell is it?
It will damage everything inside.
अरे यार. ये चूहा है.
चूहा है.
हाँ.
किधर गया?
हम पीछे.
इधर से निकाल.
ये इसके ऊपर है, जो अंदर है. हाँ, पीछे. I just left from home on my way to Amboli, and I didn't want this to happen. I wanted to leave in early because I wanted to miss out on the traffic, but that's not what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get a lot of traffic, and something that's gonna take maybe just 1 hour to reach will now take 2.5 hours to reach. And as for the rat scenario, horrible. I mean, this is the reason why it's always good to have a closed parking. Luckily, in our new house, we do have that. Since we are now staying on rent, we don't have that open space parking, closed parking. So damn frustrating. I mean, to see that rat. It was cute though, but it's a lot of pains in removing it. And I am not taking a risk. I will be giving this car for servicing because I don't know how long that rat was, and there was a lot of rat poop also in the dicky, and I am not taking any risk because of the wires, and it's, at the end of the day it's safety. So maybe after the weekend I'll immediately give the car for servicing. And now I'm on my way to Amboli, but there will be a lot of traffic and I'm getting very irritated on it. And I know I'm sounding also irritated, and baby also is not here, so it's more irritating. And if you can see, there's a lot of my clothes and everything that was there in the dicky, or maybe the... And as I was saying, with regards to clothes, whatever clothes I need for shoes and all, and whatever shoes I need is removed from the dicky, and I've kept it ahead. So you can see that the behind part is a bit messed up, it's not organized. But once I go to Amboli, I'll sort it out and see what next to do. I thought I'll just give the car also for maybe interior cleaning once. I'm getting irritated for knowing the fact there was a rat inside. So I've given the car for parking. It will go there, and I'm going over to meet the clients. For my meeting, as I said, I'm at Andheri. This is the station. This is McDonald's. I just got done with my meeting, and as I am waiting for my car to come in, I thought I'll just talk to you guys. So I just got booked for a wedding. Really nice, sweet guy. Met the groom only, and excited to MC that wedding. And as I told you, Amboli is such a place, it's crowded, you don't get any parking. Luckily, outside Andheri station, you do have this place. It's Valley, and they have multiple floors parking. So I'll show you how the car will be brought down in the lift. That's my car. Reached Amboli and I'm getting the smell of new paint. Nice. A lot of traffic, but then I met my clients and now on my way to my parents' house, climbing stairs. There's no lift here, not used to it. I don't know what Pooja and Hriday are doing, but I missed them already. Chalo, I've reached home. And look who's here. Hi Brownie, how are you? Brownie? What? Hello.
Hello.
Brownie is here. Didn't give him food, alright? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Okay. Hi Bunny. Hey Bunny. Come here. Bunny, come. Come, Bunny. Hey, boo boo. Hi. Hi, my Bunny. You miss me? Huh? Bunny? Ah, come, let come. What? You want to sit? Sit. Come.
Not coming.
Who's a good boy? And this is the other one. This is Lara. Hriday is not there, so she is roaming freely here. If Hriday was there, she would run behind the fridge and sit. No, Lara? How much you are eating, re babu? So fat you become, huh, Lara? So guys, this is where I end the vlog. I know it was a very short vlog, nothing much we did, and the rat that was there inside the car, I'm 99% sure it's not there anymore, because from the dicky it had gone to a hole, and that hole leads to an empty space and eventually out of the car. So I'm 99% sure it's not there. But to be on a safer end, once my weekend shows are done, I'll be taking the car for servicing. I'm not taking any risk. I have no idea how long that the rat was, and it must have chewed on to any wire possible. You never know, so it's better to be safe than sorry. So I will give the car for servicing. As you all know, I'm already in Andheri, and I'll doze off to sleep now because I have 2 shows tomorrow. I need to wake up and head to Chembur, and then evening again Andheri, and I'll just sign off. I had my dinner. I'm missing Pooja and Hriday, and I wish they were here, but obviously not everything can happen, and that's okay. I'll go back to them soon. सो असं होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.